Hey y'all, it's your girl Sasha E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make celery juice without a juicer. So in my last video, I showed you guys how to make celery juice with a juicer, and someone asked to see it done with a blender or a Nutribullet, so here it is. So I will be drinking celery juice every morning for 7 days to see if it aids with weight loss. So if you guys are interested and want to join me on the celery juice challenge, here are 2 other methods of how you can create it or make it without a juicer. So first things first, I'm going to start off by cutting the leaves off the celery stalks. Afterwards, I'm going to cut the stalks in really small pieces so that it'll be easier for the blender and Nutribullet to liquefy the celery. So as you guys can see, celery can come very dirty sometimes. Sometimes it even have little insects on them. So definitely make sure you thoroughly wash your celery so you do not get sick. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you how to make the celery juice by using a Nutribullet. So I've already washed my celery, so I'm going to take about half of the celery and place in the container. I'm going to place the lid on the Nutribullet container and attach it to the actual base of the Nutribullet, and then you're going to see that the celery is going to liquefy. It is a very easy process. I love using this method as well because I don't have to add any water to it. So for those who don't have a juicer or you don't have a blender but you do have a Nutribullet, this is a great option for you. So I do take the container out of the base of the Nutribullet a few times and shake it around just to ensure that the celery is blending evenly and properly. As you guys can see, it is all done. So now I am going to take my nut milk bag and I'm going to place it in this container so that I can strain out the pulp from the celery juice. I'm going to do the same exact process for the blender. So I'm going to place the chopped celery into the blender, and then there is a button on the blender that says liquefy. I just hit that button and just have the blender do what the blender does, and it comes out really, really well, you guys, as you guys will see. So I'm going to take my nut milk bag, the same one that I used when I did it with the Nutribullet, and I'm just going to pour my celery juice inside of that nut milk bag so that I can separate the pulp from the actual juice. So I purchased my nut milk bags from Amazon, but if you do not have any nut milk bags handy and you'd like to do the challenge, you can always use a strainer. It is just as effective. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!